Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Power on the PC and connect to the internet, or plug in a USB recovery drive. Next, sign into the Windows account you used when enabling BitLocker. You will need that Microsoft account email or local admin credentials if you used a local account. Open Settings, then System, then about to note the device name. This helps match recovery keys. Once done, navigate to Update and Security, and then to Recovery to begin the key retrieval process. You now locate the recovery key itself. If you used a Microsoft account, sign in at Account. Microsoft. On any trusted device, go to Devices or the BitLocker section and view the 48-digit recovery key for the matching device name. If you used a local account, insert the USB or open the file where you saved the key. Look for a 48-digit numeric string. If you printed the key, check physical documents. Make sure the device name matches. This prevents using the wrong key. You finish by entering the 48-digit recovery key at the BitLocker prompt. Type it exactly, and press Enter to unlock. Once unlocked, go to Settings and suspend BitLocker, then back up the recovery key to your Microsoft account and export a copy to USB or print it for safekeeping. If you cannot find a key, make sure you checked every linked Microsoft account, any saved files, and printed copies. If those fail, contact Microsoft support. Have device name and proof of ownership ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.